So I have removed my door, driver's side door, from my 1994 Chevy pickup. I've been replacing the pins. That's the striker. I put a new door latch on it, and now I'm about to put the new hinges. As you see, these right here is pretty messed up. So I'll show you what you need to make this job just a little bit more easier. Here go one of the old pins, which the pins don't really go that bad, but I bought new pins. It's the washer that's in the pins that goes bad, and I'm trying to find the other one. Show you what I took it off with. So if you get you one of these, you can knock that pin off. And I already had one, but you know, you can get one from AutoZone or something, but to me, or you can use a flathead screwdriver too, which is here. But I like this because you can go under it like this, and then you can braid up on it and kind of pop it off. So I like that better than the flathead. But here are all the ones I got from Amazon. It comes with the new washers and stuff in it. A lot of the stuff you can do yourself, you know, and they got the pins that clip on, but these are what goes bad. Let me show you this. So these are what goes bad. Once they break and fall off, it makes the door clip over to the side. See, like this one, it just popped out, as you see. So every time you lean the door is dropping. So you have to replace these and get these and put the new ones in there. And you pretty much just put them in there. Well, see, it's a little rounded out, so maybe that's come from the pressure of it. So we're gonna put a little some type of tape or some stuff around it to make it stay in there. And we take both of these out. And that one right there, it's a little bit harder than the other one. And it's good to use these pins here. Gotta knock them out. So it's not a real hard job, family, but it is some work required. Like I say, these here are so old and busted, you can just knock them out, and then you put your new ones in there. See, it fitted good on that one. And I got me a rubber hammer. As you see, that went in there pretty good. This one right here was wore out a little bit, but we're gonna make it work. That's the old one. So just wanted to show you what I'm out here doing today. I'm out here getting my hog on, working on Mr. Fred, my 94 C1500. Hold on.